Welcome! This video demonstrates the Elastic Software Management Agent component. This component provides secure, flexible, and efficient management of applications and workloads within trusted execution environments, TEEs. Acting as a middleware layer, it simplifies deployment, monitoring, and lifecycle management of TEE-enabled software. It is designed for heterogeneous platforms, supporting WebAssembly workloads, lightweight containers, and Linux executables while ensuring workload isolation and integrity. By streamlining operations across cloud, edge, and IoT infrastructures, it reduces the complexity of deploying and maintaining TEE software. This component is part of the isolation layer in the Elastic Project architecture and enables the management of WebAssembly workloads within a TEE. Some components, such as cloud services and the user interface, shown in this demo, are not part of Elastic itself. They are included only to provide a user-friendly setup and interaction. This demonstration will go through the process of setting up and running a secure, confidential computation. We'll begin by creating a computation and choosing the TLS configuration. There are several security options supported. In this demo, we'll set up the agent to use attested TLS, where remote attestation is fetched during the TLS handshake, ensuring that the CLI connects only to an agent running in a verified confidential environment. Less secure TLS options are also supported for agents running in other environments. Click on the computation to view its details, including the computation ID. Navigate to Roles to view details and add the required actions for running the computation. Each action defines what the user can do. View allows seeing computation details but not modifying them. Edit grants ability to modify computation properties. Run enables execution of a computation. Administrator provides full control, including role management. Algo Provider allows contributing and managing algorithms. Dataset Provider allows contributing and managing data sets. Result Consumer enables access to results of the computation. From your terminal, use the CLI to generate a public and private key pair. These keys are critical for digital signature authentication, ensuring that every operation involving uploading assets to the enclave is properly authenticated and authorized. Upload the public key. This public key will be included in the computation manifest for each participant and their respective role. To run CVM successfully, agent and CVM need to be set up, and computation manifest must be created. Computation manifest contains all the necessary information for agent to run, such as user's public keys used for attestations, WASM workload checksum, log level, and configuration for user access control. Once CVM is deployed, it spins the minimal Linux distribution with Elastic HAL WASM runtime and an agent running as a system service that provides users with the safe access to the CVM. The CLI tool, configured via environment variables, is used to upload WASM workloads securely and to fetch the execution results from the CVM through the agent. Create a new asset and give it a name. Enter the exact file name and generate the hash using SHA-3256. This unique hash or checksum is a critical security feature that ensures only the correct, unmodified file can be uploaded, exactly as defined in the computation manifest. Each asset in the manifest contains hash, the SHA-3 hash of the expected file, ensuring data integrity, user key, the PEM-encoded public key of the authorized provider for this specific asset. Since our asset is a WASM workload, we will use algorithm type, then link the asset to the computation. The SHA-3-256 hash acts as a verification mechanism. The agent will reject any file that doesn't match this exact hash, preventing tampering or unauthorized substitutions. Open the CVM section and create a new CVM. Running a CVM results in VM with setup agent running and ready to serve attested TLS. Here you can select the trusted execution environment. Both Intel TDX and AMD SEV SNP secure enclaves are supported. Once the CVM is deployed, it launches a minimal Linux distribution with the Elastic HAL WASM runtime and an agent running as a system service that provides secure access to the CVM. The CLI tool, configured via environment variables, is used to upload WASM workloads securely and to fetch the execution results from the CVM through the agent. Once created, click on Details to see the default certificates used to verify secure communication between the CVM agent and cloud platform. Here you can also download the attestation report. For the relying party to send confidential data or code to the agent, a secure channel must be established using attested TLS, a TLS connection enriched with the attestation report of the agent. The agent acts as the server and extends the X509 certificate it uses for TLS with the attestation report. When generating the report, the agent embeds the hash of its public key into the report data field of the AMD SEV SNP report. A new certificate is regenerated with every connection along with a fresh attestation report to maintain freshness. This provides cryptographic proof that you are communicating directly with the agent inside the trusted execution environment. The CLI uses the attestation policy to verify the fields of the attestation report. The policy contains expected PCR values that must match the PCR values in the VTPM attestation report, as well as reference values for fields in the SEV SNP report. Important security feature: when the CVM utilizes a VTPM, the agent extends the PCR16 register with the hash value of the computation manifest. This allows users to verify all computations executed in the CVM and ensures that the agent will execute the specified computation exactly as defined in the manifest. Download the attestation policy. Navigate to Computation page. Click on Preview Manifest for the specific computation run. The manifest is the defined computation exported into a JSON file containing all user-provided information. To run the workload, first click on Run Computation, select the CVM. On the timeline, you'll see messages confirming that the algorithm is being received. You can also open the logs to follow the execution in real time. Export the agent address with the CVM port. Export the attestation policy. Set the attested TLS environment variable to true. Upload the algorithm. The system will verify both your digital signature and the SHA-3-256 hash before allowing the upload into the secure enclave. Once the computation finishes successfully, retrieve the results directly from your terminal. Next steps in improving software management agent component is its integration with security orchestrator, propeller WASM orchestrator, confidential containers, as well as overall elastic attestation platform. Work on improving the agent to be more flexible and provide ATLS access to more participants and support dynamic access to the deployed WASM workload, such as proxying requests. Thank you for your attention.